Hi there, welcome back to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin spice latte. I know it's not really fall yet, but we are definitely in pumpkin spice latte season. So I wanted to show you how you can easily make one at home using one or a variety of our pumpkin syrups. First up, we have our pumpkin spice. This is just going to provide you the spices of a pumpkin pie, and it does have an emphasis on cinnamon. So you're gonna get cinnamon notes, clove, cardamom, nutmeg, and that's it. You're not getting any of the actual pumpkin element to this syrup. Next up, we have our pumpkin pie syrup. This is the whole shebang. That's the whole pie. You're getting the spices, all the spices that are in the pumpkin spice syrup. You're getting the filling, the whipped cream, the crust. And lastly, we have the crema de pumpkin pie. This is everything that's in the regular pumpkin pie syrup, but with the addition of dairy. So this is a little bit creamier. It's great for beverages, cocktails, or even using as a topping on your ice creams. You can use just one of these in your latte, or you can even combine them, which is what I'm going to be doing today. I'll be using our pumpkin spice and our crema de pumpkin pie. So let's get started. Let's make a homemade pumpkin spice latte. First up, we're gonna do just half a pump of the pumpkin spice. I wanted to add a little more of that cinnamony flavor to my latte. And then I'm just going to do one full pump of my crema de pumpkin pie syrup. And that's it. That's literally all the syrup you need for this latte. If you have not worked with our syrups before, they are very concentrated. They have a big emphasis on flavor and a lesser emphasis on the sweetness. So if you want to add additional sweetener, don't go pumping in more syrup, just go add in some sugar, because if you do too much of anything isn't a good thing. So I'm going to just get started and get my espresso in here. I'm using an espresso machine, but strong brewed coffee works. Any just regular espresso, whatever you have on hand is perfect for this recipe. Our coffee is done, so I'm just going to give this a little stir and heat and froth up some milk. And the cool thing about this is I have a little milk frother right here, so this is super easy, but you can also get, there's like the little handheld one, so you can order them online and you just heat your milk and then you froth it with that. Very, very easy. I'm gonna pour this in my milk frother and get it nice and hot and frothy. All right, so our milk is done. I'm just going to top off my latte with this. Nice and frothy, the best. Who does not love foam on their coffee? It's so good. You can even finish this off with whipped cream if you want to. I'm gonna give it one last finishing touch, a little sprinkle of cinnamon. And there you have it. Easy to make, homemade pumpkin spice latte. Don't need to go to the store. All you need is your pumpkin syrups and you're good to go. So I'm gonna give this a little bit to cool down. It's pretty hot right now, but it's definitely gonna hit the spot and give me that caffeine kick that I desperately need right now. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and you give this a try at home. If you do, make sure to let us know in the comments below what you thought about it. You can also be sure to subscribe to our channel below so you never miss any new recipes like this, or tips and tricks, or even our amazing customer testimonial videos. Also, make sure to follow us on social media. You can find us as @Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Pinterest. See you next time.